Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a 4th of July cat. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cool 4th of July cat, let's begin with the shades. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that comes across here for the top of our shades. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. I'm going to curve it around and then bring it into here. Let's do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down. I'm going to curve it around and then bring it right into here. Next, I'm going to bring the line that's just going to go up and down. Now, starting here, let's work on the nose. So I'm going to draw a little line across the top for the nose. Then let's draw a line that goes down and up, kind of like a little V shape. I'm going to make a little dot here and then a little dot here for some detail on the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to curve up. And then same thing here. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to curve up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then up here. Now, starting at the top of the sunglasses right here, let's draw a line that's going to come out like this with a curve. And then same thing here. Let's bring this out with a curve. I'm going to round off the top of this ear and bring it down to here. And then same thing here, kind of round it off and then bring it down. Next, I'm going to make a couple little kind of bumpy lines right across the top to make it look like it's kind of furry. Starting here, I'm going to make some little kind of pointed lines that are going to curve down. And then same thing on this side, some little kind of curved pointed lines. Then I'm going to put a couple little points right here. Next, I'm going to draw a curved line here, and then a curved line here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and curve around. Same thing here, up and then just a little curve at the top. Then let's go ahead and make some little lines right inside of here, just for a little bit of detail, like some hair. Then right here, I'm going to make a couple little lines for some detail above the cat's eyes. Now, starting here, let's put 3 little dots on each cheek. And then let's make some little whiskers on each side. I'm going to draw a line here and then a line here to connect. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and in. And same thing here. We're going to go down and then in. We're going to make a little scarf there. We'll make another one that's going to go down here. And then I'm just going to bring this line up to here for like a little bandana. Let's make a little half circle. And then a little line that goes down and up. And then one more. It's going to go down and then connect to here. And then we'll put 2 little lines on there, 2 here, and let's do 1 there. Now our next step is to add some detail onto the sunglasses. So on this one, I'm just going to add some straight lines coming across here for some stripes. And then on this one over here, let's just make some stars. So to make stars, all you do is just draw a line that goes up and down. Then you're going to go out on each side. Then I'm going to come in at an angle. Then I'm going to go down and out at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this up and then down. And then once you've mastered that, you can draw some more little stars in here, kind of all around here. You can do some little stars that are kind of coming off of the sides of here, just like this. Or you can just leave it one big star. It's up to you. Then on the bandana here, I'm just going to make some little diagonal lines. You can make them a little wavy too, just to kind of add a little bit of detail on here. And we'll do the same thing on here as well. And then the final thing is I like to just make a little line here that I just kind of color in for part of the cat's mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a patriotic cat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.